Dear colleagues of the eiSos and Worth Group, dear customers, dear suppliers, ladies and gentlemen, 40 years of eiSos, this anniversary honestly surprised me, because to me, the eiSos Group is one of the most dynamic and youthful business units of the Worth Group. I would have certainly guessed the eiSos to be 20 years old. And if I could choose a company group to start my career all over again, like being 30 years younger, it would undoubtedly be eiSos. The growth of the eiSos Group over the last 40 years has been very impressive. A CAGR of approximately 23% from the recording of the first revenues until successfully reaching $1 billion in sales in the 2021. In addition to organic growth through acquisitions and investments is also part of the strategy of Worth and, of course, the eiSos Group. In the last 40 years, eiSos has acquired 6 companies. The acquisition of the IB Group, headquartered in Tyrnau, Bavaria, and the Midcom Group, with its production facilities in China and headquarters in the USA, were the largest and most challenging acquisitions for the eiSos Group. I can still remember very well how the over 4,000 Chinese production employees shook up the productivity of the Worth Group, and we had to establish a metric to adjust for Midcom. In the meantime, Midcom has been integrated and has been highly successful, especially in the last 5 years. The eiSos Group has developed into one of the most successful business units of the Worth Group over the last 40 years. This was only possible through continuous investments, which provide the foundation for future growth. The investment in the High-Tech Innovation Center in Munich further emphasizes the commitment of the Worth family and the corporation to the eiSos Group. Investments of this magnitude are only possible because the profits are largely reinvested into the company. That's mainly thanks to the Worth family. Also, the framework of a corporation provides a certain level of security in these unstable times, allowing us to endure the current rough patch that eiSos is also experiencing.